If you love to travel, if you love the Caribbean, and if you ever taken cruise in the Caribbean, you probably know St. Thomas, and especially the port city of Charlotte Amalie. This is just a quick video to show you what we've seen in a half-day tour, self-paced. No need to join an excursion here actually, because this is part of America, right? I'm going to show you parts that where it's not exactly America. But here's the harbor. Very nice view, looking like a good city, especially in Caribbean. It definitely stands out as one of the more modern towns. Yep, pretty big ships, and that's ours. Too bad we're a little bit smaller than the Royal Caribbean, but it's not a competition anyways. Here's a cruise port. There's definitely a little bit of a Caribbean feeling here. So even though it's part of the United States, but it's still Caribbean. Like this iguana here. Like you don't see this on the mainland. So this one is really spiky, scary, it's pretty big too. So riding a shuttle to Magens Bay, you just pay them, and there you go. You just we're gonna cross a little hill or an island. I guess it looks more like a mountain to the Magens Bay side. And here's Magens Bay. It's many times or very often cited as one of the top beaches in the world. Top 10, top 5, depends on how you look at it. But in terms of crowdedness, I would say that's like one of the top I've been to. This is like one of those beaches in Thailand or somewhere out in Asia or like Greece during the summer. Just packed with people. There's not like a single spot that is nice and then you don't have like a ton of people around you, or when you look out and see, there's like also a lot of people in the water, which, you know, don't blame them. It's beautiful. It's shallow. There's no wave because of, if you look at this is really a bay, right? And the water is warm and turquoise and just everything right about the beach. We obviously have to take a lot of pictures here. You could even, you know, take your phone or take a camcorder down the water. It's no problem at all because like a bathtub. And now we're heading back to town, and this is making it pretty obvious that we're driving on the left. And this is where it's different from mainland US, because this used to be a British I don't know whether it's a colony or just a place where the Brits settled, and they're still part of Virgin Island that is British, right? And there's some piece of Europe right here, and we're on the main street. It's worth spending like an hour or two strolling around. There are souvenir shops, but basically the town is very nice. It's like not too many cobblestone streets in the U.S. mainland, or you know, this side of the pond anyways. So it's got that European feeling, and there are a lot of these small streets, and this is the best one. It's really very colorful. It's got a little bit of that Europe look, but not quite. So something's off. So you know, like you're not quite in Europe, but close enough. before we head out to the ship, why not have a cold one on the pier, looking at the nice scenery, water island. It's a beautiful island, definitely worth visiting.